When you're promoting a product or service using Facebook organic affiliate marketing, then the same rules apply across the board. Now, affiliate marketing is a business model that's very easy to understand. It's simply pain and desire or problem versus solution. So if you're overweight, that is your pain, and your desire is obviously to have a slimmer body. But if you have a fitness problem, then your solution is maybe joining a gymnasium, local gym, a fitness class, or maybe exercising at home. So you just want to get fitter. That is your desire, your solution. So before you do anything, just make a list of all the problems and pain points that your product or service resolves for the buyer. And when you see a product listing the benefits in their sales copy, they are targeting specific problems. And this helps obviously sell the product because you're addressing the pain and the problems that the customer has. Anyway, let's jump into the computer and we'll have a look at maybe ClickBank as a typical example. I've just had a look at ClickBank, some of the products on ClickBank. Some of them do have very good sales copy actually. But I've just come on to ClickFunnels. Everybody knows ClickFunnels, so this is maybe a better example that we can use just for this tutorial. So let's just suggest that you are promoting ClickFunnels as an affiliate, and you can see the benefits of ClickFunnels on the website, on this website here, because the sales copy is designed to remove any concerns and objections any potential customer may have. It targets every common problem on this copy that people may have in the website building space, and this is the target market, isn't it? It's basically shifting somebody from building websites maybe with WordPress and moving them over to ClickFunnels. That is the market. We need to move them from A to B basically. But see, it also gives you a clear idea of your target audience, the sales copy. And in this instance, it's basically people who are having problems building websites. So, I mean, let's have a look at common issues that people have with websites, and people are concerned about complicated codes and maybe WordPress themes, WordPress plugins, different plugins, and the initial setup on the hosting is a problem for a lot of people, and integration of maybe some things that they need on the website. Maybe something like email management systems, and it can get a little bit confusing for so many people, especially beginners who are new to the space. So they naturally just get caught up in all the technical setup. The ClickFunnels was built to obviously erase all these problems, so they designed an easy to use system where you basically drag and drop everything into place. So you can basically see the main problems that people have will always be above the fold. They don't need to scroll down the page to see. And obviously one issue is this free trial that you can actually try ClickFunnels for free. I think it's 14 days. I think the price is probably about $97 a month, which is not cheap. But all the benefits are here. No contracts, cancel anytime. And this is a major one here, which targets all those things that I just mentioned to you about the complication connected to building websites. There's zero computer skills needed. And it obviously works for every type of business. So these are all basically targeted, the problems that people may have, and these are their concerns and objections, and this sales copy will target them straight away. So you can leverage all this in your content posts with Facebook Organic. So you might type something like, maybe in a post, you can say something like, are you fed up with trying to understand all the technical jargon associated with building websites? Is your business getting tied up with complicated codes and plugins that either don't work or you can't get them to work? And what you need, obviously, is a drag and drop system that anyone can use no matter what level of computer skills they have. And that is a big plus. That is a big solution, a big desire for anybody who's having problems building these websites. So, and people will resonate with this because it's 100% true, and this is what you call pre-selling. And pre-selling is what you do in your content on Facebook Organic. And obviously ClickFunnels have tapped into a very specific pain point here, and they know the audience will resonate with that. It's the complication of building websites, and that's why ClickFunnels was basically born. They wanted something, a simple system that anybody can use without thinking too much, and that's why drag and drop programs are so popular. So with this ClickFunnels example, you can go basically through the whole list, and it's dedicated to one pain point after another. What's included? So you can see here everything that ClickFunnels offers, and these are all basically questions that people may ask about analytics and that type of thing, and obviously shopping carts if that's what you're interested in, blogs, and so it basically creates everything. Let's just scroll down a bit and see what we can see. Proven funnel templates. So that's another good question. Maybe people are looking for professional templates, but here we have proven funnel templates, which are probably landing pages which are proven to convert as you drag and drop editor again, and anything else that the additional things that people may want, all the add-ons, analytics, and this is a big one really, because a lot of people in the affiliate marketing space understand the importance of testing and doing A/B tests, and you can do that very simply with ClickFunnels by just switching one landing page to another and so on. Entrepreneurs, there's another good thing. So it basically gives it a bit of a boost. So all the big players are using ClickFunnels, and you can look at the testimonials are always probably good for conversions as well. Why funnels? Another common question. So everything is here. They probably made a massive list of all the concerns and objections that people may have switching from website building to going with ClickFunnels to funnel building, and everything will be on this homepage here, all in the copy to target everything and anything. But you can get some good content from these sales copy from the actual content that you'll be writing inside of Facebook. So your message basically has got to be very clear to your audience that basically you're telling them that ClickFunnels is a quality product, and it can be beneficial in so many ways for people specifically who are building websites. So it doesn't really matter what you're selling. The same principles apply in any niche. It's exactly the same. So all you need to do is find the pain points and add those in your content by creating the content around these pain points, the problems and pain points, and you'll be providing the actual desire, the solution within that post. And then always remember that problems have many levels, and even a small problem in your mind can be a big problem for somebody else. You may not see it as a problem, but it's a major problem for somebody else. So you can really drill down into problems about problems. So you've always got content to write about, and that's basically what happens in your Facebook content. You can target all these problems one by one, and they will obviously resonate with your audience who are looking for you for the solution. And the solution in this instance is ClickFunnels. But this works, doesn't matter what you're selling, the products or services, you go back to the sales copy of the core offer that you're promoting, and you will see that they always target the problems that your customers have. If you wasn't sure, you would definitely find it on the sales copy. Anyway, I hope you got some takeaway from this quick tutorial today. This for about Facebook organic affiliate marketing. It just shows you how you can just pinpoint problems and then create your content around these problems, and then you provide the solution to make the affiliate sale. Please don't forget to like, share and comment, and of course subscribe for more Facebook organic affiliate marketing content. Now, if you're interested in learning more about Facebook organic affiliate marketing, I do have a free masterclass that will teach you how to reach the $10,000 a month income target by getting 500% more leads. And the link for this free masterclass is in the description below. Anyway, my name is Mark Anthony. Thank you again for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.